Hello students, let us see one problem from the S block element which is asked by my student. The problem is which of the following mixture cannot be prepared. Okay, NaSCH3, Na2CO3. It can be prepared, student. If you are NaHCO3 is the Na student. If you are heating this, it will convert into Na2CO3. So it is possible, student. Na2CO3. This is not possible. This is also possible, student. This is also possible, student. This is also possible. Na2CO3 and NaOH is also possible, student, because both are the basic na. So this is a possible, student. This is salt is there, student. Okay, salt, and this is the base, so it can react, student, no problem. This can be prepared together. Next one, this one, student. This is not possible. Why this is not possible, student? Okay, that you can keep in mind. NaHCO3. Okay, this is having replaceable hydrogen, student. You must be knowing from the that chapter, student, equilibrium chapter, that it is having the replaceable hydrogen. So because of this hydrogen, student, this is acidic, right, student? This is acidic, and NaOH is basic, student. This is the basic. One is acidic, student, and another is basic. So what will be there, student? This will be the neutralization reaction. This will be the neutralization reaction. Here will be the neutralization reaction. So in this neutralization reaction, salt plus water will form, student. So how salt plus water will form, student? It will give, that is Na2CO3. Okay, here you see this Na and okay, this is wait, student, little bit CO3, and here is NaOH. So how it is forming? Na, this is coming, and then CO3, this is Na2CO3, and this H, student, here is hydrogen, and this H2O. So this is Na2CO3 plus water is forming, student. So if this is together not possible, this is together not possible, they cannot be formed. H2CO3 and Na, both are acidic, can be possible, both are basic, can be possible. Okay, and here is, this can be also possible, but that is, this mixture is not possible because one is acidic and another is basic. So this is our answer. You can see, read out the slide, student. Here NaOH and NaSCO3 cannot exist together as they react with each other. NaSCO3 is acidic in nature. It decomposed by NaOH forming Na2CO3. The reaction is as follow. So this is our answer, student. Dear student, if you like this one helpful, if you find this is helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel, student, so that it can be useful for other student also. Thank you so much for watching, friends.